Look, all I'm saying is Mattel could have captured my angles a little better. Like, let's be honest. Thomas, you don't have angles. You're a fucking train. Look, Henry, just because you want to be a hater doesn't mean the rest of us can't dream. Oh, dear. God fucking dick. Hello, Thomas. Well, hey, Doug. What blessed us with your presence today? I'm glad you asked. Me and Oliver on the Great Western, we need a new engine. The fuck you looking at me for? You are all, and I quote, fucking faggots. Yeah, bitch, you're not special either. Back to the topic at hand. How the fuck did you do that? No, Doug, I'm not working on your branch line. I have one of my own that I need to focus on. But, Thomas, no buts. No. My decision is fine. What the fuck? What? I hate this fucking railway. You know, Thomas, I'm starting to get the feeling that you don't really like me. Oh, what gave it away? Hello there. Who the fuck are you? Thomas, you are being very vulgar. Weren't you just over there? Thomas, can you stop? Thanks. Henry, shut up. Look, Gangster Roosh, you need to get out of my face. You need to stop talking and, oh dear, you just do whatever you were doing. I'm just gonna pretend that you're not there. Thomas, you're a pussy. Oh, okay, Tunnel Boy, keep talking. Every day on this railway, I lose more and more of my sense. Nobody likes you anyway. Don't even. I guess that means I'm the main character.